Here are your headlines from KPRC Channel 2 and click2houston.com.
Good evening, I'm Dominique Soxa with KPRC Channel 2 News. Here are the stories making headlines tonight. A former Houston Texans employee has filed a lawsuit against the organization, claiming that she was continually harassed by a colleague and that the club failed to properly investigate a complaint that was filed in November of 2016. The Houston Texans issued this statement saying they are aware of the lawsuit and they plan to defend the organization against litigation. Video circulating on social media shows a staff member at Cypress Woods High School attacking a student with a belt Friday morning. Since then, officials with Cypress Fairbanks have removed that employee. The incident is also being investigated by Cy-Fair ISD police. A Texas City ISD liaison deputy is credited with saving a high school basketball coach's life after he discovered that he was choking. The incident caught on camera outside the Texas City High School gym on Tuesday. Deputy Roderick Reeves saw Willow Ridge High School coach Sean Schutt bent over, quickly finding out that Schutt was choking. Reeves performed the Heimlich maneuver, dislodging the food that was stuck in Schutt's throat. And for our weather, temperatures staying in the 40s with a slight chance for showers.